Imagine standing in a place where minutes feel like seconds, or hours disappear without you even noticing. What if time doesn't flow the same everywhere on Earth? Is time truly fixed, or are there places where it behaves strangely? Today, we'll explore real locations on Earth where people claim time feels different, sometimes faster, sometimes slower, and sometimes completely wrong. These are not myths. These are real places with real stories.
In St. Petersburg, Russia, many people report a very strange feeling, a feeling they can't easily explain. They say that time seems to move unusually fast here, not by seconds, but by entire hours. Visitors often say they lose track of time completely, even during what should be short, simple walks. A quick stroll through the city, a short visit to a nearby cafe, suddenly turns into half a day without them even realizing it. What's more disturbing is this: they don't feel tired, they don't feel rushed, they just feel confused. Scientists believe this may be caused by psychological time distortion. They suggest that the city's environment, its repetitive architecture, its long daylight hours, and even magnetic field variations may quietly influence the human brain. Time itself may not actually change here, but the way the human brain perceives time very well might.
When talking about time and mystery, one place immediately comes to mind: the Bermuda Triangle. This region, located between Florida, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico, has been linked to countless disappearances over the decades. Ships, planes, even experienced sailors and pilots vanishing without a trace. Many have reported instruments going haywire, compasses spinning uncontrollably, radars showing impossible readings, and clocks that suddenly stop or jump forward. Some pilots even claim they reached their destination earlier or later than physically possible, as if time itself had skipped forward or slipped backward, leaving them utterly confused. Local legends suggest that the Bermuda Triangle is a place where the natural laws of time and space behave differently, where reality itself becomes unpredictable. Scientists, of course, provide possible explanations: electromagnetic disturbances, unusual water currents, and sudden weather anomalies. All of these could interfere with instruments and even human perception. But here's the chilling part: similar magnetic and weather conditions exist in other parts of the world. Yet the Bermuda Triangle continues to attract stories that defy explanation. So the mystery remains: why does time seem to act differently here? Why do clocks stop, instruments fail, and people disappear in a region where science can only explain some, but not all? The Bermuda Triangle remains a place of intrigue, suspense, and a testament to the limits of human understanding. In certain remote Himalayan regions, travelers report something truly unusual, something that seems almost impossible. They describe walking for hours, climbing steep, rocky paths, and yet feeling strangely energized, as if their bodies were immune to fatigue. Hours pass, the sun moves across the sky, but they don't feel tired, they don't feel hungry, and sometimes they don't even notice the passage of time. But the moment they leave these high-altitude zones, everything changes. Suddenly, fatigue hits instantly. The body feels heavy, the mind slows down, and the sense of time returns to normal. Scientists believe this might be caused by the extreme altitude, the low oxygen levels, and subtle changes in brain chemistry.
All of these factors could naturally affect how humans perceive time. Yet, the local monks and villagers have a different explanation. They claim these mountains hold a mysterious spiritual energy, an energy that slows time itself for those who enter with respect and awareness. Some travelers report that when meditating here, even a few minutes can feel like hours of calm. It's as if the mountains themselves are teaching patience and forcing the mind to experience every moment fully. Science explains part of it, but belief explains the rest. And perhaps that is what makes the Himalayas one of the most mysterious places on Earth, where time seems to behave differently.
In Arizona, USA, there are locations known as time vortex zones, places that attract curious travelers from around the world. Visitors report strange and unsettling experiences. Watches start malfunctioning, phone batteries drain unusually fast, and a subtle sense of dizziness or disorientation creeps over them, as if reality itself has shifted. Some travelers even claim that while standing completely still, their sense of time begins to collapse. Minutes stretch into what feels like hours, or hours shrink into seconds. Even more mysterious, there are stories of two clocks placed side by side, showing different times at the exact same moment. One clock moving forward, the other seemingly frozen, as if time itself is splitting apart. Scientists suggest that these zones may be influenced by geological magnetic anomalies deep beneath the Earth's surface. Subtle shifts in magnetic fields can affect electronics and perhaps even the human brain's perception of time. But despite all these theories, no one can fully explain why these zones feel so unstable. Some visitors claim that the area carries an energy, a sensation that something ancient and powerful is at work, bending the rules of time and perception. And maybe that is why the Arizona time vortex zones remain one of the most mysterious and fascinating places on Earth.
According to Albert Einstein's theory of relativity, time is not the same everywhere. It is not fixed, it is not constant, it is fluid, and it depends on speed and gravity. The faster you move, the slower time passes. The stronger the gravitational field, the slower time flows. A concept that might seem unbelievable, but has been proven countless times through experiments and observations. Satellites orbiting Earth experience time slightly faster than clocks on the ground. This difference may seem small, mere milliseconds per day, but if we didn't account for it, our GPS systems would fail in just a few minutes. Even here on Earth, in regions with unusual magnetic fields or at extremely high altitudes, our perception of time can change. Hours can feel like minutes. Minutes can feel like hours, depending on the circumstances. This is not science fiction, it is reality. The idea that time behaves differently under certain conditions is absolutely real. And yet, there are still mysteries that science cannot fully explain, places where time feels bent or perception is warped. This is where science meets the unknown, and the line between reality and mystery begins to blur.
Some places may affect time physically. Others affect how we experience time. Sometimes the clock changes, sometimes we change. Science explains many things, but not everything. And where science ends, mystery begins. Perhaps time itself is not broken. Perhaps our understanding of time is still incomplete. And maybe that is what makes time the greatest mystery of all.